everyone. This is Karen Waksman, founder of Retail MBA. And today I'm going to talk about the 5 reasons to sell a physical product to a company. And really the reason I decided to create this training segment is because for years now I've taught tens of thousands of product companies how to make money with their physical product, and mostly to selling into retail chains like Walmart, Best Buy, and so forth. But over the years, people are asking me about companies, like how do I sell my product to them? For instance, people who created maybe a plumbing product, they could sell to retail, but maybe they also want to sell to plumbers, right? So that is another distribution strategy. Or what if you had a food product and you wanted to sell to Virgin America Airlines, right? They actually buy food for the people on their planes. So there's so many different ways to make money with the physical product, and selling to companies is just one way. So this training segment will walk you through the 5 reasons to consider selling to companies as a distribution strategy. Reason number 1, some products are actually not great for retail. I mean, that comes up a lot. You might have gone after retail chains and your product's too big or bulky or awkward, or it just doesn't make sense for retail, or the buyers just are not getting it, and so you're trying to find another revenue stream. That would be a really good reason why you should consider selling to companies, because it's very different and there's a lot of opportunity there. And sometimes products aren't that great for retail. Another thing to consider in regards to why you should consider selling to companies is that your competitors are probably not even thinking about selling into corporations. They're probably focused on retail or other strategies. Companies is probably not top of mind. So that means a much larger audience and opportunity for you that a lot of people don't even think about. Another reason that you want to consider selling to companies is because it's millions of dollars in untapped revenue for you. Honestly, first of all, your competitors are probably not selling to them. Even if they are, it's just such a massive audience with retail. With the chain stores, there's, X number or percentage of retail chains in the world, right? Versus how many companies are in the world. So there's just so much untapped revenue and opportunity there. And so that can be tremendous for you and your business. Another reason why you want to consider selling to companies is because it's actually not as hard as you think. I have always taught people how to make money with products in ways that required no sales experience or buyer relationships. So I know for a fact that my customers are getting into companies and are getting into retail chains simply by following strategies. And everything is a learnable skill. And so I know for a fact, because I have clients who had 0 sales experience, 0 buyer relationships, hadn't sold their product anywhere before, had no representation, and got their products into the world's largest retailers and so forth. And I've been doing this for so many years. So I've seen this time and time again. All of this stuff is totally learnable, even if you don't even like sales. You like money. So money is the reason why you'd want to consider adding that skill set to your business. And by the way, sales is essential to your lifeblood of any business. So it's very helpful to learn this stuff. Final reason why you want to consider selling to companies is because it's magical for your brand awareness. Essentially, what does that mean? Well, people who work for companies buy things, and they can look at your product and like your product, and they could tell their family, they could tell their friends. There's millions and millions of people who work for companies. There's millions of people who get supported by companies. And so my point in sharing that with you is because there are many ways to get branding and word out about your product well beyond retail. And so corporations can really, really help you with that. People will see your product wherever it is, and opportunities could show up for you in your business. Anyways, I hope that provided value for you. I hope you got excited about the possibility of selling your products to companies. If you want to learn actually how to do that, how to sell to corporations and so forth, I actually created a new program called Product Sales MBA. And the purpose of the program was literally just to walk anybody. I mean, at any stage of the game, even if you have 0 sales experience, 0 interest in sales, this program will walk you through exactly how to do that and how to sell a product to a company. So if you want to become a sales rep, this is a great program for you there. Or if you have a physical product and you want to sell into that channel, this is a great program for you there. Most people don't know that I've had over 20 years of sales experience selling products and so forth. I've sold to corporations beyond retail. Trust me, I've had a lot of experience selling, and this program is a culmination of how I've sold many, many, many millions of dollars to people with their products. And so it's really an exciting program, and I hope you enjoy it. Anyways, the link for that that product sales program is listed below this video, so please take a look at that. Otherwise, please be on the lookout for additional training that I create on making money with physical products. This is Karen Waksman with Retail MBA. Thanks so much.